Good morning, students. I'm back once again with English class. Now, students, as you can see on the board, it's the 4th of June, it's a Thursday, and today what we are going to be taught is paragraph writing, which is a part of English creative writing. Now, as I said, English is divided into 3 parts: English literature, English grammar, and English creative. Now, English literature we all know, which is related to prose and poems, stories, and then question answers, and reference to context, then make sentences, meanings, think and answer. Similarly, for poems also, the same question pattern goes on. Now, English grammar is of course what is going to teach us to write and speak correctly. Okay, the grammar teaches us. Okay. Now, creative is basically going to teach us how to write letters, okay, paragraphs, compose stories, compose picture composition, all these. Now, so today what we are going to be taught by Gargi ma'am is English creative writing, paragraph writing. All right. Now, what is a paragraph? Okay, a paragraph is that which gives us not full details about a particular subject. Okay, which gives us details about that subject in brief, in short. A paragraph is made up of sentences, and we try to involve all types of sentences in it. Okay, whether it's a declarative, whether it is an imperative, whether it is an interrogative, or whether it is an exclamatory. We try to have all the types of sentences in it, and a paragraph cannot be less than 5 sentences. Okay, children, a paragraph cannot be less than 5 sentences. And you must remember that the paragraph, what is being taught to you in class 5, cannot be more than 100 words. So 100 words, how will you count? Now, there are words as in in. So 1 syllable, that is monosyllable, and 2 syllable, that is disyllable, you will not count. You will count only the words which are more than 3 letters in number. So that is how you will count the number of words in your paragraph. So if there are many times the repeated, the, you cannot count all the the's separately. The will be counted as 1. Like we do it for our spelling errors. Remember, if it is a repetition of the word, we take it as 1. Similarly, while counting the words also, you have to take it in 1. So the total number of words should not be more than 100. So it is basically just maybe 4 or 5 lines short of a 1 page. Okay, whatever 1 page. And as I said, children, our creative writing notebooks are going to be shared by the grammar as well. Okay, we are sharing it with grammar. So how do we do it? The first half is going to be your grammar, and the second half is going to be your creative. Now, another thing, children, all those who have not been able to buy books, okay, during the lockdown period, the treasure house is being kept open Monday to Saturday from 10:30 in the morning till 2:30 p.m. in the evening. So all of you, all those who have not been able to buy your books, can very well go to the school and buy it. Okay, you can send somebody from your family, any member of your family who can drive and go till DPS Sulbari and get the books for you, and carry maybe your old ID card or maybe the admission receipt. Okay, so that the treasure house people can check the name, whether the name exists in the name list, and give you the required number of books and notebooks. Because as I said, notebook is very, very important. What is to be done in your notebook must be done in the notebook, children. Please do not neglect your homework. And as I said, homeworks all of you are not mailing me. That is why I have started sending you attachment of answer keys. So what happens? You can check with the answer keys. You need not mail the attachment, because you know how difficult it is to correct when you all are mailing us. What happens? Some are not clicked in a straight position, some are lopsided, okay, some are slanting, some are not visible. So it becomes very, very difficult for us teachers to correct, and there are chances of overlooking of errors also. Alright, so it is advisable that you keep writing in your notebook. When the lockdown is lifted, we are going to do the correction. Till then, please save the answer keys which are being sent to you all through the online portal. You can save it in your iOS device or your Android device or a pen drive. Okay. And children, another thing what I wanted to say that this is what the topic is, paragraph writing. Okay, let us go back to paragraph again. Paragraphs are made up of minimum 5 sentences. Okay, they give us a short detail about a particular topic. Now, there is something called, let me erase this because my board is very tiny. That is why I won't be able to fit what I am trying to show you. Okay. Now, this is called a hamburger paragraph. I hope this is visible. Now, what is a hamburger paragraph? It is like a hamburger. So, the first thing is going to be your topic sentence. I'll explain to you what is a topic sentence. Then comes supporting detail. Okay, supporting detail. 1. Supporting detail 1. Supporting detail 2. Okay, supporting detail 2. Supporting detail 3. Supporting detail 3. And then comes the conclusion. Okay. Now this is called a hamburger paragraph. Hamburger. You must remember that a hamburger paragraph that means a paragraph looks like this. So what is the topic sentence? Now, supposing I ask you to write a paragraph on your favorite cricketer. Okay. So the first topic sentence will be, you will name your cricketer. Okay. Then comes another detail. Another detail about how old he is. Okay. Then comes another few more details. What is the supporting detail to? Where does he live? Which state does he belong to? Does he play in the World Cup matches or is he a Ranji player? Then comes a few more details. Okay. What is his, like mother tongue? Alright. And a little bit about his family. And then comes the conclusion. Conclusion means the basic idea, what is the paragraph about. You will have to join them together and give the ending of the paragraph. This is what a hamburger paragraph looks like. Alright children. Now may I erase? Now paragraphs are basically of 4 types. Okay. I have also sent you the teaching content of my lesson today to you. Now, we are going to do only 2 types of paragraphs. One is a descriptive paragraph. Okay. Descriptive paragraph, children, describes a person, place or thing. Okay. It is a paragraph about a person, place or thing. Now, what is a narrative paragraph? Narrative paragraph is like it tells us a story. Okay, narrative paragraph. Like my most embarrassing moment. Okay, my most memorable moment in school. The happiest day in school. Okay, the happiest day. My happiest birthday. Alright, so these are called narrative paragraphs. Where you narrate something, where you tell a story about something. So, children, today what I have done is, I have given you 2 sample paragraphs, children. I have given you 2 sample paragraphs. You are going to copy that in your creative notebook, which is again a part of your grammar notebook, the second half. And children, there is something also I want to tell you. An index must be maintained. What is an index? Every book has an index which lists out the number of contents, the page number and what is the topic about. So your index should have, okay, serial number, topic, okay, date of, page number, alright, then date of submission, okay, when you are submitting the notebook, and teacher's signature. Alright, these are to be maintained. I'm sure everybody knows about maintaining an index, because all those who are coming from schools which are not, our new students also, children, I'm sure you all maintained an index in your old school also, because index is going to give us an overview of what is ahead. So serial number will be number 1, topic will be say paragraph writing. Page number, because you are beginning creative writing from the second half, again page number will be say maybe 1. So 1 to maybe only one page supposing. So page number 1. And if it is continued in another page, then 1-2. Okay, so page number 1 and 2. Date of submission, the day you give it for correction. And my signature after I correct. Alright, that is how an index has to be maintained. Again, let us do a recap of paragraph. Paragraph comprises of minimum 5 sentences. It tells us in detail about, in brief, about a particular thing. Okay, maybe a story, okay, a place, okay, or a person. Now, paragraphs comprises of all types of sentences mostly. What are the types of sentences? Declarative, imperative, interrogative, and also exclamatory. It tries to have all of them, okay, because as you go gradually higher and higher, when we do a bit of practice, then you are going to have all kinds of sentences in a paragraph. And children, when you're writing a paragraph, one thing you have to be very particular is about the word limit. You cannot exceed the number of words already mentioned by the teacher. You cannot exceed more than 100 words. Okay. So, how do you count? As I had said, you will count only the 3-syllable and the 3-letter words onwards. Okay. Not the 1-syllable or the 2-syllable words like in, on, at. Okay. Not to count them. And if there are repetition of the same words, you will take it as only 1 count. Fine. That is how the words are to be counted. And this will go on till you're 10 plus 2. Okay, so you must remember, we are going to do 2 types of paragraphs. Okay, descriptive paragraph, a paragraph which describes a particular thing, person or place. Narrative paragraph which tells us about a story, okay, which narrates an incident, an occurrence, okay, an event which has occurred. So I have given you one example of both, okay, of descriptive and narrative. You are flatly going to copy that from the worksheet which has been sent across to you in your English creative notebook, which is a single line notebook. Okay, and all those who have not been able to get the books, please, you are most welcome to go to the school's treasure house. You can send any member of the family to go and buy it. Monday to Saturday, 10:30 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so we have done this. This is very easy. Remember the Hamburger paragraph. A paragraph should have the topic sentence in front. Then after that, the details. Minimum at least 3 to 4 to 5 details about the paragraph, what the paragraph is about, and then the concluding part of the paragraph. Alright, that is how a paragraph looks. It looks like a hamburger paragraph. Okay, so I hope you all are all keeping well. Stay away from cough and cold. Even if you catch them, drink lots of hot water, drink milk. Milk is very, very good for your bones. Okay, so add haldi and maybe a little bit of honey to it, because it is very, very good not only for this particular period we are going through, but also throughout your life till you grow up. Okay, even the aged people in the house should be given warm milk added with turmeric and honey. Okay, so bye bye, take care, stay safe, be alert. Okay, avoid crowd. I know you all are not going out much, but also alert your people in the house who are going to get the regular sabzi from the sabzi mandi, the groceries. They should be very, very alert. Okay, may I take leave now? Bye bye. Oh yes, children, please do not be absent on the live class day, because whenever messages are being sent across to you, ensure that your parents check the messages sent across on behalf of the school's management from DPS Fulbari. Which day, whatever live class you have, children, you must attend that. Otherwise, you will be marked absent, and that is going to be counted for your promotion as well. Please, because that is the only class when we get to interact, isn't it? We have been all using the digital platform. At least live classes we can communicate and interact with each other. So try to attend that. Bye once again. Take care. Okay, stay safe.